how has JGBS played an impactful role defining your career so far?
Yeah, I think JDBS played a significant role in many aspects. Firstly, I got the chance to learn management skills from best of the best faculties, I would say, in India. And secondly, I think JGBS keeps on inviting many guest speakers, like from industry
Right.
and from different areas altogether. And they visit our campus. And I know these days it is going to be challenging because of COVID, but I guess there are some webinars they are keep on
Yeah,
organizing.
yeah. Every week they have guests come up
Yeah,
and
yeah.
do
So
sessions with us.
yeah, so I think those guest lectures and guest speakers, they share their real-time experiences from their industries and their specific job roles. So which helped me in gaining their experiences. So I can say that I learn from people instead of from textbooks through these lectures. And then there are many issues which we are not aware in the campus, or our faculties are not aware, but we got exposed to those experiences from these lectures. And thirdly, I would say that there are many extra co-curricular activities that we had organized, and like business fest were there. Then there were case competitions and sports fest, and then we have a buddy up program for
Yeah.
freshers. So all these things help me in learning, like teamwork, managing resources properly, how to get permissions from seniors, and how to engage all the uh, students who are in organizing committee. So all these things help me in gaining a real-time experience in all these aspects. And last but not least, I would say that internships played a very provided me a different kind of experience altogether. So, like during internships, we were exposed to real-time management issues in specific domain that we have, and we get to know how we have to work in the management area specifically. Because earlier I was working in technical field, so that experience has
Okay.
different, and management experience is totally different. So I would
Mm.
say that these internships also helped me, and overall I can say that MBA provided me a confidence to face the real challenges of life. And I can confidently say that uh, MBA has changed my entire uh, thinking process, my entire personality, and overall I it transformed me as a human being.
So, what was your favorite course during the program?
So I would say that there are many courses I liked at that time, and specifically the classes of Sahani sir. I remember those classes were most practical. He used to share all the experience because he had a lot of experience in managing, and uh, you can say administration role also he has played. So he used to teach us organization behavior, competency mapping, some business etiquettes class was there, and I remember he gave all his experiences through his art. I would say that he never hide anything from us. He used to share like real experiences which we have to face in the real scenarios in our job role. So, and then there was, I remember the class of our dean that time, Gopinath sir. He used to teach us Gandhian leadership, which was a different course altogether. I would say that course has changed my uh, entire perspective towards the management domain. And I would say that his classes were one of the most practical, and he taught us that how Gandhiji has led the entire freedom movement through videos, through different reading materials, through articles of that time. So all those collection, I think, was one of the best things I've learned from. And apart from that, there we were exposed to business research, many case studies from big organizations, not from only India but from other countries also. Like I remember in organization behavior, we had uh, a case study that is related to all the musicians and all the tactical art, like they perform art in their real life. So those kind of things we were not exposed earlier, like how they manage their shows during those kind of scenes. Like there are challenges. Who is traveling, they have to manage their event, they have to maintain their quality to attract more and more, you can say, customers. But they have to maintain all these things all together. They have to shift their entire operations from one place to another, because you can't keep a show in one city for long, and
Yeah.
nobody will come and see all those things. So these kind of things helped in gaining like how different industries operate, how different industries have their challenges, and how different industries can get better if we have to work there. So I think
Mhm.
these courses help in all those scenarios.
Is there any learning that you experienced that has stuck with you, and and it has helped you in the outside world?
Okay. So I remember a class from organization behavior that was, I think, taught by Professor Tanushri Sharma, and we had a role play in that class.
Oh,
And the entire class was divided into two groups. One is one team is called as managers, and other team is like workers or the employees of that organization. And
okay.
managers were had to convince workers in such a way that they have to work in a certain direction, that they will ask some us they asked us to perform this task in a certain way, and workers had to oppose that thing, that we won't do this task in that way, it's it's not going to help us. So we have learned all these things. So this is kind of a change exercise she was trying to teach us that time. And that exercise really helped me in learning where we how people react to change, how different
Mm.
settings are need to be there, how managers have to react in such scenarios, how we have to convince our employees to accept that change and bring that change in the entire organization. So that kind of thing was there. Similarly, we had a case study discussion in leadership class, which was taught by Manisha Mishra ma'am, and has a business scenario, like uh, where we have to, like, we were exposed to a case study basically, and that was related to a police department, New York Police. And that
Okay.
case study has shown a leader who has led the entire organization in such a way that there were many crimes going on in New York City that time. But after that point, person has been appointed as the chief of the police department. Those crimes have stopped, and those were very little things that he changed. Like he asked every policeman to wear his or her dress while traveling from office to work and work to office, like work to home. And then those small things bring a lot of change, that those things give confidence to people who are traveling in public spaces, who are working in public spaces, and gave a kind of fear among the criminal mind people. And these things help
Mhm.
the entire New York City as such, and bring the crime rate to a low level. So these things like give me an idea, and like how management helps in bringing the change, not in the organization but the environment altogether in which the organization is working. So I think that things those things helped me in gaining the experience. Like we don't have to work differently,
Right.
we have to think in a simple manner, we have to bring small changes, and we can get our task done. So that are thing I would say, that these are some learnings which helped me during my job role, and during my now, even they are helping now also.